cleanse your colon and burn fat with this powerful recipe. People who diet to lose weight often don't want to wait months until they see any results. In some cases, these delayed results of your dietary changes may even discourage you from sticking with the diet, eventually causing you to give in to temptation. Therefore, it's important that we feel good when we change our eating habits. What many of us don't know is that we can poorly digest some food, which creates a buildup of mucus in our colon. Colonic mucus, if accumulated, can cause numerous problems like energy loss, weight gain, and even headaches. So, improving the intestinal process helps not only improve your overall health, but also accelerates the weight loss process. To perform this cleansing procedure, all you need to do is eat vegetables or fresh fruits and focus on foods that are rich in fiber and other nutrients. A well-balanced diet will take care of the cleansing process. However, there is also another option to speed up the process. It's an apple-based recipe. Being rich in fiber, the apple helps stave off hunger pains, as well as to eliminate the toxins from the body. Remember, we've got to drink plenty of water to avoid constipation. In addition to the apple, we should also consume flaxseed. It has the power to improve the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract, helping to delay gastric emptying. Flaxseed contains properties that act as antioxidants and prevent heart disease. In addition to flax seeds and apple seeds, we also have the properties of chia, which, being rich in fiber, promotes a healthy digestive system and also helps weight loss. Chia also promotes a healthy heart. So, let's learn how to properly mix these three foods and how to use them in a meaningful way in your diet in order to lose weight. Ingredients: 1 medium apple, 1 tablespoon freshly ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup water. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients, except for the chia seeds, in the blender. Add the chia and let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes or until you see that the chia seeds have begun to swell. See how easy it is? This recipe will help you feel full and will help to cleanse your digestive tract effectively by speeding up the weight loss process. Besides that, it's great. So, enjoy and supercharge your diet.